6 a.m. This is day 7. We're on to a full week of 30 days before 30. I am so proud to say that I have been consistent in vlogging. We're up this early because of Omnia. I'm thinking about going to watch the sunrise with Omni because since we're up already, I think that'll be a great thing to do, and that's definitely something that I have on my list. Yes, I thought it was gonna be super hard to get this one checked off because I'm just never up, I guess, before the sunrise. Yeah, so this is a great opportunity to get that done, and I am super excited because it's just me and Omni. I'm praying to keep it that way, so I'm about to go put on this sweater and we're gonna dip out. So I gotta go to the construction side of the community in order to catch the sunset. I can already see the sky. It's like a glimpse, there's like a glimpse of red kind of peeking through the clouds. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so pretty because there's a lot of mountain ranges right there. I'm excited. Just, oh my goodness, already. Wow. Let's just take a moment to just look at that. I don't think the camera's doing it justice, but we have like a huge mountain range right here. Well, it's not huge, but yeah. I'm not gonna be out here by myself for too long because we do have coyotes out here, and you know, I ain't got a man to be out here to protect me just in case. I feel like this is our point right here. I think this here is perfect. Do I look crazy? I probably look crazy, you know, rolling out of bed, trying to catch a sunrise. The mountain ranges across on my left, and our sunrise should be coming out on this side. It's so pretty. I'm gonna have Omnia come with me in just a sec. It's so cute. She's in the fattest jacket. Put on some socks for her. She's having a good old time. It's just shining on your skin. You look so good. You're glowing with the sun, Mama. Look at you. Look how beautiful she is. She's literally glowing. Okay, I have a full 360. Look behind me and how the sun is hitting the mountains. Seriously, no justice done. Guys, I feel so blessed right now. Wow. We made it back. Peace.
I got my gas again. Look at that. Mom, right there.
This is the coconut oil that we use. this is the healing ointment. So I use the coconut oil first, lather her whole body up, and then I go in with the healing ointment afterwards to seal it all up. And then we get this, a shiny brown baby. This combination right here. Girls.
I'm gonna treat you like a driver right now.
Babe, so I can have evidence that you do love me. Thank you, baby. Aw. Love you
Exactly.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job, Mama. And then we're missing one. Hope I got the right size. This thing looks short. Okay, let's go. Okay, Omni, it's okay. Mommy, Yaddy.
Oh, man.
It's okay, Mama.
On it. Hi. What's up, chicken tea? What's up, chicken tea? What's up, chicken tea?
Am I gonna make the stud thingamajig?
What's up, chicken tea? You standing up, honey? You standing up, honey?
Okay, let's pick up the trash. These extra screws, this goes in here.
We can come back in. Mommy about to feed baby sister. You can come back in and help mommy tidy up. Daddy's gonna put baby sister to sleep.
I switched things up for the girls' room. Shifted everything onto one side. And yeah, it looks a lot better. Because before they had like their TV right there, their kitchen right there, and their bed right there. But yeah, slowly but surely. 3, ta-da-da-da! Ta-da-da-da! Ba-da! Ta-da-da-da! You like your new room?
Beep, beep, beep.